Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'll be creating this look with the help of all NYX products. Well, I'll be using all the NYX products for the first time, and obviously for the first time I'm using one brand, for this tutorial, and I hope you all will love it. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel before you watch the full video. Yes, let's start. So at first I'll be starting with my brow product. So for my brows I have the NYX eyebrow pencil crayon, and this is in the shade dark brown. So this is just like a pencil and it's retractable, which is a great thing. And the other side has this brush which is really very soft to touch. So let me just use it on my brows and tell you guys how I feel about it. So this eyebrow pencil is very good for a daily wear kind of a thing, because I'm in the shade dark brown. Like, this pencil is like dark brown, and this gives quite a natural finish, like very natural finish to my brows, because I don't have those thick kind of brows. So I'm really very happy with the outcome of it, and it's very soft and very nice feel, and not really harsh. I don't have to drag the pencil here and there and to get the color. So it's very soft and very gentle, and it glided really seamlessly. And this brush is also a very good handy brush. Like if you are on the go and if you don't want to carry a lot of stuff, then you have your thing along with the pencil. So it's a great thing. And let me then just clear the edges of my eyebrows with the NYX liquid concealer. So the liquid concealer that I bought for myself is CW03 from the HD Studio Photogenic concealer range. This shade is a little lighter for me, but then I got it, so I'll have to use it because it's all NYX. And now I'll clean. So these concealers are super drying, like very good for people with oily skin. So if you are from little dry skin family, then you have to just blend it ASAP. So yes, otherwise it will be difficult for you to blend after it dries up. So today for my eyeshadow, I have this palette from NYX, and this is their Perfect Filter eyeshadow palette, and palette d'ombres it's written, and what else, Olive U, PFSPO3 Olive U is the palette name. And you can see such lovely colors. I'm dying to use them on my eyes. First things first, I'll start with this transition shade. This is such a lovely sandalwood shade. I'll just start working on the crease just like that. And the powder feels really soft, and it glides really nicely. And it gives a very good pigmentation. So the next shade I'll be using is this one. So again, I'll use it just inside. I won't go too much high above the crease, just on the crease I'll be using. These colors are so gorgeous that I feel like using all of them at a go, but then I can't, I know. So just because I'm getting like greedy to use them, so I'm just using this color a little bit on the outer corners. These are superbly pigmented, you guys. So now I'll just cut the crease because so that I can use more colors on my eyelid. So now I'll use this golden shade. I'm just loving this one. So I'll just take it on my flat brush and picked up the pigment and I'll just apply. Now I'll take a pencil brush and then I'll take this wine shade and then I'll just intensify the color on my crease. And this will also help in blending the creases. Now what I'll do is I'll pick up some of the wine shade again in this kind of a brush, which is a little more thicker than the previous one, and then I'll just blend the outer corners just to blend two of the colors. So right after this I'll be applying some mascara. Well, this is their doll eye mascara and it's black and it gives immense volume as it promises. So let me just see how it is. So the price is quite a lot. The price is $14.25. So it is like a lot of money. And let me just see what it does. So I'll just warm it up a little bit and then I'll start using. So the wand looks like this. So yes. So this is the first coat and here is no coat. So it's nice. Nothing that great. So let me just apply the second coat and then I'll give you the review. So I cannot see much of change. I mean, it's nothing that great thing. So I'm not that happy. So after this I'll just go with the primer, and for the next primer today I have the HD Studio Photogenic Primer Base. So let me just use it. So it actually evens out your skin and it gives a very neutral shade to your face. As I can see that it's just transforming the skin color to one color. So people who are having issues with discoloration can definitely go with this primer. So yes, primer is nice and I'm not feeling heavy or something. So it's quite a nice primer I feel. And now it's time for my foundation. So for my foundation I'll be using the Total Control that drop foundation. So I'm in the shade Classic Tan. So yes, I think this is my shade. I don't know, I'm not sure. So I'll just mix it because it's liquid. So it has this dropper kind of thing. And it does not have any kind of smell. So I'll just use it directly. So I won't be using much, I guess. I don't know. So the foundation is like blendable like anything. And it's super lightweight. It just quickly absorbed into my skin. It's not at all drying, but it's not at all oily also. It gives a very great coverage, like the kind of coverage that I love, not that cakey feeling, nothing of that sort. And I'm just absolutely loving the texture of the foundation, and it's so comfortable on my skin. I think this is gonna be one of my favorites from now. I just wonder why didn't I use it for so long, man. The contour wonder stick from NYX, and I'm in the shade medium, so I don't know whether this is gonna like help me out or I have chosen the wrong shade. I don't know, I'm seriously like confused. So firstly, this is like a two-sided kind of a stick. So we have a highlighting shade like a concealer, and then a contour stick like which is a darker shade. So I'll be just contouring my face and highlighting with the same product. So I guess this is little lighter for my skin, but it's alright. It's a little creamy and it smells weird. So invisible that I cannot see even. So I guess it's for a person who is more fair. I mean, who is a fairer skin tone. So I can't definitely like, contour is not at all visible. So whatever. And let me just use the highlighting concealer under my eyes. So this is nice, and this is little more whitier than it should be. So it's very creamy, very easy to apply, and yes, this is nice. Let me just blend this, and it's easily blendable. Quite a good product. It is very easily blendable. Just with a feather touch, it is like going. So yes, now I'll blend the concealer from my eyes and nose and the rest of the face. Now I'll use the NYX HD finishing powder to set my face. So this is like a pressed banana powder. This is also very fine and a very good product. You know, all the products that I have used till now, they don't feel on my face, like they're not at all heavy on my face, and I cannot like feel that I'm putting on so much of product one after the other. So it's quite a great thing. So unfortunately I don't have a powder bronzer or anything of that sort, so I'll be using this shade right over here to just use it like my contour powder, and yes, it's doing its job. So now for my highlighter, again I'll use the same eyeshadow palette, and now I'll use this color and this color. I'll just mix both of them and then just use it right with this brush. So first I'll take this shade and then dip my brush in this and then put it right here. So it is not always mandatory to have, you know, always using a highlighter which is like blinding and all. So you must be using something which is subtle, just like this. So I'm using this shade for my inner corners now. I'll use this shade for my brow bone. Now for my lower lid, I'll use again this champagne shade mixed with this shade. Time for some mascara on my lower lid. And now for my lips, I'll be wearing Prague from the NYX soft matte lip cream range. So I hope this video was fun and you all enjoyed. Well, this was because the first time I have done something with like one brand tutorial, and all of the products are used by me for the first time. Yes, just like I'm just loving the experience, like what it is to use like everything from one brand. And yes, this is awesome. Like this was like awesome experience. I hope you also liked it and enjoyed it, and just let me know if you guys want me to do some more stuff like this. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and yes, stay tuned to Makeup Mistress for more such interesting videos. Till then, I'll take your leave. Bye, take care, see you super soon.